Welcome back, Tigers. We're here for our final week of our water safety videos. Today, Caitlin's gonna take us through at the pool what different types of watercrafts that UREC has to offer, and specifically some tips and feedback related to inflatable paddle boards.
Thanks for joining us again. This week we're talking about our new inflatables that we have to offer here at the UREC. We'll also go over some tips and tricks on getting back on a stand-up paddleboard if you or your child or both of you fall off.
The UREC Adventure Center is excited to offer some new inflatable items to get out and enjoy the water on. Our inflatables come with all the equipment you need to get out and enjoy the water. They each fit in their own individual backpack that make them easy to carry and easy to stow in the back of a car. The tandem kayak is perfect for 2 people and some equipment. This boat is best used for recreational days where you plan on playing in the water. Our inflatable paddleboards come in 2 sizes. The smaller will be easier to maneuver, while the larger one will offer more stability. For added stability when taking a paddleboard out, you can stay on your knees until you feel comfortable enough to stand. If you need to get your child on the board, it may be best for you to gather your balance before you get them onto the board. Stand-up paddleboards are a fun tool to use on the water. It's important that you go somewhere where you are comfortable if you fall in, because paddleboards do tend to be a little bit more sensitive to movement. To get back on your paddleboard if you've fallen off, you'll need to grab onto the sides, kick your legs, and pull up onto your stomach. As a reminder, all of the boats that you saw in these videos are available for rent at the UREC Adventure Center.
Thanks for watching, Tigers. That's a wrap for us. Be sure that you continue to like us and follow us on social media. Stay tuned for what's upcoming next with UREC. And as always, remember, go Tigers!